I bring out the youngest of my snakes to let them get some fresh air and sunshine. They're still younger than I want them to cut them loose in the grass. So put them in a big plastic tote. These are all 6 of my youngest scaled kids. But it's good for them to be exposed to different air and different environment, direct sunlight. It's good for them to have some exercise. So I figure I bring them out and let them roam around in the plastic tote. I start all my snakes off young coming outdoors, but like I said, until they're about 6 months old, I normally don't let them down on the ground because it's something I don't think a lot of people even give consideration to, is how mature their immune system is. Perhaps it's at its fullest potential as a newborn baby, but I find that hard to believe because children aren't like that. They have to build up their immune system, so I don't see why snakes would really be a lot different. So I'm really particular about letting them out on the ground when they're young. So they always come out in a plastic tote. That's how I've raised all my snakes. And once they're a little bit bigger and I feel secure with their feedings and their growth and everything and development, then I feel fine about letting them out in the grass. And no, I don't have to chase them down. They stay right with me. But these are 6 of my youngest. I love them to death. Hey guys. Look at you. All the wiggle worms. They're beautiful, all of them. I got Enchi normals, Pastaves. Jeez. Quite a variety. And they're all beautiful. I love them to death. Sorry I'm shaky. Pooped out. I've been cleaning out snake enclosures all morning. But I decided it's time for these guys to come out and get some fresh air and sunshine. That's quite a wall to climb, but I'm sure you'll find a way if you really want to go up there. I'm sure you'll figure it out. They're beautiful. I just love baby snakes. I love grown-up snakes too, so I don't have a preference. I love them all. But yeah, these are Enchi normals and Pastaves. My 6 youngest. I'm looking forward to breeding them in another year or 2. So I'm just sitting here thinking, that's all I'm doing. Looking around and thinking, say, this is new to me. I'm not sure I want to come out anyway. Yeah, what are you looking at there, kid? It's a long way up there to the top, huh? Quite a height for you. The sunshine. You only see it through the windows in your enclosure. Now you're getting the real deal outdoors. There's a little bit of a breeze to that. It's probably what's got this one's attention. There's a little draft breeze going through. These will all be eaten tomorrow. Yeah. No, they don't all live together. I just brought them out together because I think socializing's good for them. I found that all my snakes get along great with each other, except for Chewy and Fade. They have a male rivalry thing for my alpha male in my house. Now that I've separated them and Fade's out in the snake room in his enclosure, I don't have Chewy trying to combat with Fade all the time because Fade's enclosure was right across the walkway from Chewy, so they were constantly headbutting the glass and huffing at each other. So now I don't have to deal with that because Fade's out in the big MPI enclosure in the snake room over Grumpy's enclosure. I love it out there. I love those MPI enclosures. They're a little on the costly side, but boy, are they worth it. I love the fact that they have metal walls and a floor in it, so you take a damp paper towel and clean up any mess in there, regardless of how long it's been in there. Myself, I don't allow a lot of mess to lay around my enclosures. It bugs me more than it does the snakes, I think, but I love those MPI enclosures. They got the big round dome opening that vent on the right for a basking light, and they got an air vent, a smaller one on the left. They have a recessed top, so a long fluorescent light fixture will fit in it. So, you know, for the price I paid for them, I have no complaints at all. Best quality. I think now the only way you can order them is through eBay. I don't think they have them up on a website anymore. I just looked into them and found them doing a lot of research on snake enclosures, and when I saw them, I fell in love with them because of the big vent on one side that you can put a basking light in. So they're very happy out there in it. Look at you guys. You're looking. Why don't you try to come out? Huh? Say, we're not that brave yet. We're thinking about it, but not that brave yet. They're adorable. I just want to do an update video on them. My babies, I try not to harass them. If I notice they want to come out, I'll bring them out in the house. But they haven't been outdoors, actually, at all since I got them. Except right after I got them to show them to everyone. I think that's the only video I have of them up, of them outdoors. But it's important to me to give them some fresh air and sunshine, so they can get exposed to something they're going to be familiar with for the rest of their lives, because I bring all my snakes outdoors in the spring and summer. So it doesn't hurt for them to get used to the changes and the differences.